So I've been curious as to why I'm not feeling any draw with this chimney. So I opened the clean out at the bottom of the chimney. So I should be able to see some light down there. I see a very, very little bit of light down there. You see any light down there? I see very little light down there. So, I'm gonna start by cleaning this thing. I mean, it's been used for years with almost no creosote buildup. That's the lovely thing about rocket heaters, but it's not drying very well. It would do a lot better if that chimney was insulated, but there's really not even any room to drop an insulated liner down there, so we're gonna have to see if we can develop some draw without that. I always loved the view in the woods in Ohio, especially from a roof. Ha.